So what's up guys, this one is another type of our zoo type. So karon naami siya Antarctic Oceans. Did you see our penguin guys? Guys, penguin lagi. So here nagkagubot lang ang agi guys. Ay naami butanding. Naami piranha. And naami ayun so oh, you see fish? It's so big. You see? It's a flying dragon. Oh my gosh. Oh, basta logsong taga-bukid guys. Oh. Sabak kayo guys. How nice the anglerfish. Oh, bahaya is not. It's not bahaya. So, mauto dito amo ang area sa last area of the isda. So, supposed to be here is the show, but don't have show today. Oh, wait. Oh, this area, guys, is the orangutan. So, this is the leather of orangutan. Right, you know ko. His name is Makaku. Makaku! Oh. Kaon sila kuan guys, golay. Yo, binuo ko kasaba na lang jud. So here you can buy your stuff here. So there guys is the hippopotamus, so far away distance. Here is the bridge area for what's in here? Still the hippo. Still the hippo, the bucking hippo. This one is the flowing river only for you to what? Here, this area guys is the deer.
I want to see a deer.
Yeah. All the Rudolph Red-Nosed Reindeer guys.
Rudolph reindeer.
Yeah. Go. It's a real beehive. This one is our favorite capybara, guys. Capybara. They're eating. Cat just now guys is their friend. So here guys. Oh, antayin mo yung ano guys. Yung inaantay mo sa buhay. Wala yung magawa. Baka gipaan to sa zoo. Then how?
Hey, this is
But why do you open like that one only? Here guys is the carabao. Yeah, are you a carabao? Yeah.
this is what?
A carabao?
Huh? Kabao?
Carabao. Carabao. Carabao, I think it's a buffalo. Ano? What's his name? I don't know what his name. But this one is a carabao.
Or coin? Or tower?
Cow?
No. This is cow na, yes ah.
Cow?
Hmm.
Are you a cow? But why?
Ah, bull.
It's a bullseye, guys. But why different color? Supposed to be red or the brown one. Hey guys, nawala na to kung mga batos guys. Pambiyaan mi guys kay mga hinay na itong mga lakaw. So just now naglibog pa ako sa tutong carabao or carabao. Anong carabao guys is baka rin today. is back. Made in India. Kanina area there guys is a bear. Baby bear. Oh, that's as the baby bear. No bite one guys. No bite one guys. It's just on it. No bite one. It's just like on it.
You see the
Hey, the capybara. Here. Here is the bear. Bear, bear. And here the walking bear, bear. But they just like so what guys? They just like so loya and he just like ay, this so matamlay and not nakaon guys. Here you can see near to the bear. Here, where is the bear? Where? Here, oh, there's another side. Another side of story. Here, B.O.B.
Hello, man.
So, this area, guys, is... So, napad ni Santan, guys. Santa na payat man. Wala sila nagdigligan. This open area, guys, is... What's in here? I think it's empty. No, this area is still a deer. But they're sleeping. It appear? His name is?
Not yet, not yet.
There in the look. Got?
You see him. And then he go back.
Ask him to come out.
He's not going back.
Got there what, guys? He buffing. This area is another type of wildlife center. Ay, it's a kangaroo. It's a kangaroo. Yeah. We cannot anak.
Cannot feed the animal because he's on a special diet.
Don't feed it because he got already carrots.
He's got diet.
He got his own diets, guys. His name is Kangaroo, guys. Oh, still a deer, guys. This area is still a deer. Still a reindeer. Reindeer nagikulong, guys, na wala na jikon. Wala na dahon tanan. You wait there ha, kay my bag is another side. This one, guys, is the open area, guys. Got there the, I think no, is sigbin. Got sigbin, guys. So here is a small river. This area, guys, is the flamingo. So this is our favorite flamingo. But the color is no more already. Some of it is no more color. Pag nag-field trip dire, guys. Name is a mouse deer, guys. There. Mouse deer, guys, is just a maliit na.
So cute.
Ha?
So
Maliit na something, guys. This one also is but guys, ayun sa pangalan ay. Abi, you come here. Here, got something inside. Aldrich. Oh, makitan pa diri day. There you guys is the Mara. Sama ng Mara, oy. Wag yun ta kailan na, guys, kay wag yun na sa tuwa. So here is, guys, is for the reptiles. So we want to show you the nagkagubot lang ang agi, guys. Yes, that snake, guys. Color blue. Color blue snakes. So, this one, guys, is so big lah. Here is the color yellow. Sa color green in that area. So nice. What's his name? So this one, guys, is our friend, guys. In all the corruption, guys. This one, guys, is another type of lolong, guys. I don't know if you can see. You cannot see, really. Basta na ay buaya dara, guys. De, is buaya de. So big. Lama. You see?
Hello, Shine.
Daghan mo diri, guys, oh. Got also in the water.
Jenny say, why you raise so much turtle? Hello.
Yeah. Raise so much surgery, guys.